My name is Tiffany Leslie, and I am a student at Post University in EDU 520, Digitally Mediated Teaching and Learning. This presentation is going to focus on digital literacy and what its importance is, and everything that I have learned from this course, week 1 through week 6. So, digital literacy means to possess the skills necessary to navigate and effectively use digital technologies such as internet platforms, social networks, and mobile devices. Digital literacy skills are essential to the success in the professional work and educational environments. To be digital literate means one must know how to navigate online platforms and use the tools necessary to effectively perform the task. Personal learning environments is a part of digital literacy. Personal learning environments are a place where one can collect information on topics and store their work all in one place. Digital literacy is a group of various skills needed to create a personal learning environment to ensure one understands how to organize and analyze research and information found to be stored in a personal learning environment. Personal learning environments are important to graduate level work because it ensures students have met mastery level components in all courses and are ready for graduation upon receiving their degree. Blogging is also another form of digital literacy and digital multimedia. Blogging is an important part of developing digital literacy skills as it is a way to reflect upon past experiences and store new information all in one place. Blogging helps us collect our thoughts in a safe environment while allowing others to access the information. Collaborative learning is another form of digital multimedia, and digital literacy requires one to understand how to use tools effectively to collaborate with others in online learning and virtual work environments. Collaborative learning is communicating with others while working together to accomplish a goal. Information privacy and copyright is important to digital multimedia for a number of reasons. People have concerns posting information onto the internet. Their privacy is at risk and their information may be used inappropriately. There are tools and resources available online to protect one's privacy and personal information, such as changing passwords often and using a combination of special characters is one way to increase one's privacy on the internet. Open educational networks is another part of digital multimedia, which requires people to have some form of digital literacy skills. Open educational resources are websites that allows users to post information on different disciplines or professional fields to share with others within the same profession or interest. Open educational resources are free to use and allows anyone to have access to them. Open educational resources are found within the public domain, and they are great resources to use within the classroom to extend learning beyond the curriculum. Digital media requires one have skills in creating videos and presentations. Videos are a great way to share ideas and interests with others in virtual environments. Presentations are a great tool that requires one to understand digital literacy and how digital media can be used to enhance learning. Digital media allows students and teachers to share ideas in an online learning environment to enhance communication and understanding of concepts. Digital multimedia and possessing digital literacy skills is a necessary component for both students and teachers in an online learning environment and to all disciplines in the professional world.